song called We Stand Together, artists like Ross Learmonth from Prime Circle, Lisa Bala and Kurt Darren are standing in solidarity with those in the front lines, not only now during this coronavirus pandemic, but also throughout the year as they perform their jobs. Now, these artists joined us this morning to tell us more about the song in collaboration with NGO RADA. But before then, let's take a look at this beautiful collaboration. I'm getting goosebumps. Welcome, you guys.
Thank you.
You have recently released an incredible and lekker song, We Stand Together, which forms part of NGO RADA's campaign to create awareness around COVID-19. I mean, where did this stem from and how was it all put into motion? Maybe I'll start with you first, Kurt.
Well, we hope it's an inspiring song for people out there. We just, it's awesome that artists with like Loisa and Ross and the rest of the guys that were there just gave up their time to do this song. We were approached, and I think it's a great cause. And through the 6 years that it's kind of existed, I'm talking about RADA now, we kind of can track the whole time what kind of work they're doing, which is amazing. You don't get that often, and that to us is amazing. So to be part of it, it's great.
For you, Ross, why was it so important for you to be part of such a project? And maybe give us a bit of background. What exactly is RADA and why has it been established?
It's an acronym for rape, alcohol, drugs and abuse. And it was started 6 years ago by a guy called J.P. Nobega, who heard over the radio, he heard the statistics and it just changed his life. So he went home and he sold like his sports cars. He literally is that guy. And he went and sold a lot of his sports cars and all of that stuff. And he went full force into this. So, and he found all of the artists. I think most of the artists have been on, a lot of us have been on board since day one. So that's the amazing thing about him. And it's a very important thing. I mean, South Africa, unfortunately, has some horrible statistics. And it's something that we have to stand together to do something about it.
Now, with this song, RADA has been working to uplift people in need through their care program. In which way does RADA actively support these people and communities, Loisa?
Well, RADA has some partners, some in the car industry, some in the food industry, and really just for them, it was about just getting together with them to find homes. So there are certain homes that are being looked after, and what they do is that they make sure that the guys have got food, that they've got all the essential needs are really just kind of met at this time. And I love hearing that, because I think a lot of the times we always think that, we want to be heroes around this time, which is great. It would be great if all of us could be heroes, but I think there really is power in partnership. And that's really, the partnership that we're building with RADA. It's really just there to make sure that together we can do more.
I like that you're mentioning partnership. Why was it so important for each one of you to partner with an NGO like RADA?
I must say the awesome thing about partnering with RADA, a song like this that we recorded quite a while ago, it's been used in different circumstances to help people to stand together. Like right now, needed against COVID-19, it's great now to see that they've adapted it to work towards supporting people on the front line. So that's the cool thing about this song, and the artists involved is that they can also acclimatize to where the song is needed and where our support is needed. And that's the great thing about RADA.
What about for you, Ross? What does it mean for you to be a part of something as amazing as this?
I think a lot of times you can feel quite powerless. And I think an NGO like this is very, very good at actually just getting out there and getting its hands dirty, which is amazing. And it shows you that just a little thing you can actually do, like by getting involved and spreading a message, it gains momentum. So I think in that sense, it's just, you just see how this thing just grows and becomes a stronger entity in itself. So it's amazing to be a part of that.
For me, it's because I just really just see it as an opportunity to have a need met. Right now, when, musicians around the world, not even just in South Africa, but throughout Africa, around the world, we cannot get on stages. We can get on stages if we're at home and we're streaming, but it's not like we can do live performances. So I believe that, music is about meeting a need, and we seeing a need. And so we're finding those people that we can partner with in order for us to fulfill that need. So That's the reason that I partnered with RADA, and obviously with all these amazing musicians, who some of them are right here on this, on this platform with me.
The song really is such a powerful song that literally gives you the chills. But what are the lyrics about, and what message does it relay? Maybe this goes to you, Kurt.
Yeah, I just want to just say, I mean, it's all a positive message and it's about standing together, but I want to just say it's so funny, me seeing my fellow artists in the same boat as me. I can see what Lee used to, every time we press the button, you see Jennifer Bala, so he's using his wife's phone to do the Zoom. Obviously, playing games on the phone the whole time and watching YouTube kids. So we're all in the same boat. And this kind of song is about, let's all stand together and let's all support each other, And I want to wish my fellow artists, my friends here, and everyone that, everyone out there, just the best of during this time. It's a very weird time for us as well, because I think my last show was February. I think in my 25 years of stage, I don't think I've ever had such a big gap in my life of not doing shows. And if our time can be used for this good, no problem.
I love that, And what we also love is the music video, which shows farm workers, shop assistants, nurses, paramedics, law enforcement. What was the concept behind this, Ross?
I think it just shows that the value is a lot higher on those people. I think in normal life, these guys, it's always the people behind the scenes, and they're saving your lives. And, the rock stars are seen as these people who are like, they make the big bucks in the movie stars and everything. But I think the real heroes are those people on the front lines, people feeding us, people saving us, and they need the support as well. So it's just sort of highlighting what rock stars they are, you know what I mean? Like, they are Batman and Spider-Man kind of thing. They're amazing. Yeah.
Well, listen, you guys are rock stars, Layisa, Kurt, and Ross. Thank you so much for taking out the time and joining us this morning on your Feel Good Breakfast show.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All good. Lots of love out there.
The song was originally part of RADA's second music compilation, RADA Inspire Volume 1, released in 2018 to encourage the citizens of South Africa to inspire themselves and others through various initiatives.